Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 4th, 2023. I've already solved one tough one puzzle. It seems this one is a 4 stars Sudoku, not a 3 stars. And we have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the tectonic, and it's time for the 4 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 5737. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 24. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really 4 stars? I don't know. I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1 1. We have here 1 2. We have here 3 3s, 3 4s, 2 5s, 4 6s. Okay, 2 7s, or 3 8, 4 8s, and 2 3 9. So the 6 and the 8 are in majority. Can I start with the 8? 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, there only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 Cannot continue with 8 now. How about the 6 then? 6 6 6 6 6 6. Oh no, 6 6 here. 6 6 6 6. Cannot continue with the 6. Well then, oh, we have also 4 4s. Overlooked. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 6. 4 4 4 4. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 in these 2 boxes here. 6 in this column. No 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in that row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And now I can continue with the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 8. 8 6 6 6 6 6 6. Okay. 4 4 4 4. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 Cannot continue with the 9 now. 3, 3, 3. 1. With the 2, then the 2. Only 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 7. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have a 1 and 7 in this column. No 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes. Let's be 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row. For the number 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1. 1, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1, 4. 4, 7, 7. 6, 9. 5 in this overlooked, 5 in this third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between, the only place left for 5 should be there. Now I can continue with the 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, and only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. And 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. How about the 6 then? 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in this box. Here, 4 in the third column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 6, 6, okay. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Do we have all the 9s? Let me check. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7. Need a 7 there. 7 should be here. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. Now we have a 6 in this third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 666, 666, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. Alright, 1, 1, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2, 3 and 7, 2, 3 and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Well, 3, 3, 3, 9, 6, 8, 6, 9, 8. Okay. 3 should be here. Here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3, 3. Okay. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this middle row. One of the missing numbers is 3. Here can be a 3 because we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 7, 7, 7. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. Well, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. Here can it be 7 because we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here can it be 7 because we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the 7 in this row could be here, could be there, here or there. The 7 here or there, we see a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. Here also 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 7 in the column next to that column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, could be everywhere. 2 and 5. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 could be here, could be there. In the middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2 in the middle row. Well, here can be a 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, no 2 there. Only place left for 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay. 2, 2, 1, 5. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1. 3, Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2, 5, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 1. And 5. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next to only place left for the 1. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Can I count? Yes. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. 2 and 5, okay. 2 and 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 3 in the 7, 3 in the 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. The 7 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there, and the final number in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. Quicker than a previous Sudoku, although it has 1 digit less. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.